Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aries, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito isang energy update for you September 16 to 30, 2023. This is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. Gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see what is up with you, Aries. Energy update for Aries, September 16 to 30. South Node. Progressions. Balance. So, I think yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong finally parang tatanggapin or i-close na chapter sa buhay nyo related sa inyong past. Maaring ka na, yung na-realize mo na yung lesson from that past and you might be letting go of that. Kasi itong progression is like, may nag-i-improve sa'yo over time. So, maaring mas nagmamature ka. So, tell us something about this past. 12th house. Ooh, Saturn in Aries. 12th house is losses. So, maaring yung mga bagay, tao na nawala sa buhay mo, na nasaktan ka, it has really made your life very difficult nung nawala yung tao na yon or bagay na yon sa buhay mo. This can be a loss of a job or a career or an opportunity or a person that you love that has, somehow created anger sa'yo dahil sa nangyari. So, somehow, you are finally learning about it, you've learning the lesson, you have learned the lesson, and now you are moving on, you are moving forward. Okay? So, parang may new beginnings ka na dito. You have the 3 of Cups, 4 of Swords. So, definitely there is healing. You are healing from your past. Yung iba sa inyo rito, I'm sensing na umiiwas na rin kayo sa bisyo, no? Alam niyo yung it's all in the past na kung ano man yung mga naging bisyo nyo na hindi nakatulong sa inyo. It can be any, no? Hindi lang naman drugs yan, hindi lang naman yan alcohol or cigarette or whatever that you feel or alam mo na unhealthy sa'yo. So, you are healing from that. Also have the 10 of Wands. Alam nyo, lalo na kung sa ngayon medyo difficult yung situation nyo, parang feeling nyo ang bigat-bigat ng nararamdaman nyo, it's because you are gearing towards a major transformation in your life. This is long overdue na dapat dati pang nangyari na nag-transform yung buhay mo. But maaring iniiwasan mo yung change, iniiwasan mo yung pagbabago sa buhay mo. And now, whatever you are going through right now na sobrang bigat, sobrang daming responsibilities, natatapos na yan kasi you are entering a new chapter of your life wherein mas magaan na yung pakiramdam mo because you have released yung mga bagay na dinadala mo na mabigat sa sarili mo, sa kalooban mo. You are releasing that through healing. Although hindi siya basta-basta, hindi siya yung overnight na okay, maayos ka na or you nirelease mo na. It's a gradual transformation, but at least you're getting there, no? Natatapos na, nangyayari na yung gusto mong pagbabago sa buhay mo. You are also becoming imaginative, innovative. Marami kang mga creative ideas ngayon, and I think ito yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng parang inspiration, motivation to move forward, to go on with your life, to try something new. And you are also reassessing your options. Chine-check mo yung situation mo ngayon, ano yung kailangang improve pa sa sarili mo, ano yung dapat mo pang pag-aralan. Merong adventure for you, oh. Yung iba sa inyo magta-travel by the sea. By sea. Oo. Maari ring merong opportunity sa inyo sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, wherein you will have, abundance, prosperity. So, if you are looking for an opportunity sa ibang bansa, at nakikita mo na nandoon yung interest mo, I'm seeing that this is going to happen anytime soon. As long as you are going to work towards it. Kung humihingi ka ng sign na, ito ba yung sign na sumubo ka subukan mong magtrabaho abroad or tumira abroad, yes, this is a sign. And there's abundance. You have the abilities. You have something that you need to work things out for you. Meron ka ng innate talents and skills. So, kailangan mo na lang i-improve yan. Okay? Yung iba naman, pwedeng meron kayong pag-aaralan na na skills or abilities to help you grow. And yung abilities na yon ay tutulong sa'yo na magkaroon ka ng opportunity sa ibang bansa. Sa career, money, finances, maging maingat daw sa related sa pera. Pwedeng, kung ikaw ay magpapautang, maging maingat ka sa pautangin mo, baka magkaroon ng conflict. Or pwedeng magkaroon ng issue with someone pagdating sa pera. Wow, definitely may travel opportunity for you, Aries. This is an opportunity to travel for work or business. Yung iba may training, kayo na attend convention sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. So let's get more messages regarding this. messages. Ano po tong trabaho na to? Mother of Swords, the Strength card, and the Magician. Wow, I see a leadership role for you sa iyong career. So, kung merong nag-open na opportunity for you na may seminar, may convention, anything na madadagdagan yung kaalaman mo, i-grab mo yung opportunity na yan because this is going to give you an opportunity for the future, no? Sa future, na kung saan pwedeng magkaroon ka ng leadership role. Yung promotion, 'di ba? And then, sa love naman, love life ng mga Aries, you have romance and safe zone. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring you will meet a romantic partner. But, kung kayo naghahanap pa ng romantic partner, but some of you, pwedeng umiiwas pa, no? Sa romantic partner. Pwedeng di pa kayo ready. You have the Mother of Wands. I think, yung iba sa inyo, pinipigilan nyo yung feelings nyo eh. But I think hindi nyo to mapipigilan. Eventually, you will come out of the shell and explore this relationship. Kasi pwede itong mauwi sa seryosong relationship anytime soon. So, it's up to you if you're going to explore this or not. Yes. So, ano to eh? 8 of Wands. Maaring may mga messages coming through, may communication with someone. Someone might be flirting sa'yo, pero parang umiiwas ka pa. But I think anytime soon, you will somehow get into a romantic connection very soon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.